Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. In Windows 11, there is an option in the right-click context menu called AR Actions, which is home, as the name implies, to various AR-powered tools like Visual Search with Bing, blur background with photos, erase objects with photos, remove background with Paint. Now, I think this is a feature you either like or you don't, because if you don't, there's quite a lot of redundancy, and that might be the reason why you don't like the feature, because it's just adding more bloat to the context menu, which is already ever growing. Because as an example, you can open with Paint, photos, so there is a bit of redundancy with AR Actions, although some of these options take you directly to removing the background with Paint. So as an example, if I click, it takes you directly and then removes that background. So that may be the handy side of having those options available. It just cuts out a bit of extra clicking. But as mentioned, could be redundant at the end of the day, depending on which side of the fence with this you're sitting. Now, if you're not wanting the AR Actions in that right-click context menu, there currently is no way to get rid of AR Actions, this entry, in the context menu. But this could all be set to change because Microsoft, as I've posted earlier today, has released the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview build, which is 26220.7344 to the dev and beta channels. And one of the changes Microsoft is making in that build for dev and beta is that, and I'm quoting, if there are no available or enabled AR actions, this section will no longer show in the context menu. So when this change rolls out, if you head to your settings in Windows 11, navigate to Apps, click on Actions. So now if you head to this page and you toggle off these options for AR actions, Windows can recommend actions from these apps. The AR Actions menu will no longer be displayed. So it's going to completely remove this AR Actions entry. Because currently, as you can see, even with those toggles turned off for recommended apps for AR Actions, you still get the empty AR Actions entry that remains visible. Although I've toggled those settings off, that remains in the context menu, which at the end of the day doesn't really serve any purpose. So I think this is good news. And I don't see why this feature wouldn't make it to the stable version. I think it's only a matter of time. So as you can see, if we expand that, remove background with Paint, that's the option. And photos, blur background, erase objects, visual search with Bing. So that's what's placing those in that AR Actions menu. And when this change rolls out, as mentioned, with those toggles off, it won't just remove the overflow, it's going to remove the actual entry from the context menu. So if you're not needing the feature, which I don't think I would use, it's going to be great to be able to get rid of that extra clutter. So baby steps, but nonetheless is a move in the right direction. And as mentioned, that's in the latest dev and beta channel Insider Preview build. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.